Hey guys, it's Phil. And about 2 months ago, I bought my first heavy credit card. And I know what you're thinking. Damn, Phil, you got one, two, three credit cards. Why you need another one? Well, I'm kind of addicted to credit cards. Like, really addicted to the point where I need to go get some help. I like to collect them. Doesn't mean I don't know how to control myself. Just means I like them. But that's okay. The world won't end if I get more credit cards. Ain't like the market gonna crash, the plane gonna fall, nothing. But all in all, I got the Apple credit card. Yes, the new Apple credit card, which allows you to buy Apple products at 0% interest while making a monthly payment. But we'll get into that later in the video. But before we get started, if you don't mind just generously tapping that like button, just a light tap, and it will be fine. Other than that, let's get started in the video. Okay, by starting off, Apple partnered with Goldman Sachs just to make this credit card happen. The benefits to the Apple Card is allows you to get Apple products and make monthly payments with interest free. Also, you get 3% back on any product that you buy. 3% back sounds like a little bit, but I bought my iPhone for $1,100 and got $35 back. So it adds up over time, especially if you consume a lot of Apple products, while also giving you 3% cash back on Nike, Uber, Panera Bread, Walgreens, T-Mobile, and ExxonMobil. Apple also give you 2% back when you use either your iPhone or your watch when using Apple Pay. And the cash automatically goes to your Apple Cash. Lastly, Apple credit card does not have any numbers on it. And also, when you use the hard credit card, you get 1% back on everything purchased with it. So it sounds good for fraud protection and cashback for people who starting their credit. Now it's on to the drop test. With that being said, the Apple Card is good for people that consume a lot of Apple products and trying to build their credit. So if you think you should get the Apple Card, then I think you should apply for it because it doesn't ding your credit, and it takes a matter of seconds just for them to say you approve or you're not approved. It took me about 5 seconds, and then I bought the new iPhone. But in all, the credit card just a sitting card for me. It's going to be in my wallet. There's no real perks or benefits for me besides getting Apple products, and that's it. If you haven't did so, make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.